What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2001 BMW R1200C. Guys, this bike's in great shape. This is a super cool, super rare bike. Bags are in really good shape. They do have some scuffs on the top of the bags. Not a big deal. It means someone throws their leg over these. Tires are in great shape. Rear fender's in great shape. The whole side of the tank here is in really good shape. Tiny, oh, super tiny blemish on the W there. For all you collectors out there, I'm making sure this thing is an R title. Chrome is in great shape. Some guy's gonna freaking roast me online. You idiot, that thing's horrible looking. These are all just bugs. Front rotor's in great shape. It's got ABS. The chrome is all in amazing shape. Guys, this bike is amazing. The side of the tank looks really nice actually. How many miles we got on this beast? 4,003 miles. It's fired up. Runs like a dream. Guys, if you're a Pittsburgh Steelers fan or you're a BMW collector, this is the bike for you. Like I said guys, 2001 BMW R1200C. This bike's killer. It's a collector's item. Thanks a ton for watching guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check us out on the website Srkcycles.com. Thanks a ton for watching guys.